Here is how you can make your own monthly milestone discs for your baby. First, I grabbed these clear acrylic discs, and then I also grabbed some acrylic paint to paint the back of the discs. You don't have to do pink. You can do whatever color you want, and don't come for my painting. I just wanted to cover the entire back side of the disc. Next, spray it with some Mod Podge and let it dry overnight. Then, using my Cricut and Cricut Design Space, I designed each month's label and how I wanted it to look. And now I have it all cut out and using my weeding tool to get all that extra vinyl off before putting it onto each disc. Look how satisfying that is. Now for everything to be smooth, once your discs are dry, flip it over and put your labels on the smooth side. Don't put it right on top of where you painted. This just makes it a little bit more seamless. And voila! Final product. Let me know if you guys have any questions.